A man from McMinn County convicted of rape and murder could get a new trial. Joseph Wielzen was found guilty in 2019 for the murder of 18-year-old Kelsey Burnette. He was sentenced to life in prison. Liam Collins is following this story. Liam, attorneys say this is because of accusations of a conflict of interest.
Yeah, Greg, Joseph Wielzen's attorney says the judge handling his transfer hearing should have recused himself from the case. Judge Wiley Richardson and DA Steve Crump practiced law together for years. Wielzen's attorneys argue that relationship kept Wielzen from having a fair trial. Documents filed in McMinn County Criminal Court could get the man convicted of murdering an 18-year-old in 2017 a brand new trial. In 2019, Joseph Wielzen was found guilty of raping and murdering Kelsey Burnette. Her body was found in a trash can. In the motion, Wielzen's attorneys say the judge and district attorney had an undisclosed conflict of interest. They say Judge Riley Richardson and Steve Crump practiced law together, and that relationship had an effect on the trial's proceedings. Wielzen's attorneys say evidence like Wielzen's DNA was not introduced in a timely manner before the trial. They also say several jury members should have been excused for admitting to having prior knowledge of the case, but they were not. In the state's response, District Attorney Crump says he hadn't practiced law with Richardson for 5 years before the trial. He also denies that relationship had any effect on the trial's proceedings, saying the defense did not bring up any of the issues before the trial as they should have. The state acknowledged some jurors did have prior knowledge of the case, but says that does not disqualify them from serving on the jury. In the response, the DA's office said, quote, "There is no requirement that jurors be completely ignorant of the facts involved in a case, so long as they are able to set aside that opinion and render a verdict based on the proof presented at trial." But even then, it's bringing up a name Burnette's family told us in 2019 they never wanted to hear again.
Try to get where we don't have to worry about when anything being brought up that it's anything to do with Joseph Wielzen no more. It's all about her now.
Wielzen was just 17 at the time of Burnette's murder, but he was tried as an adult. If his attorneys are successful at the hearing on July 8th, he could be tried as a juvenile this time, since he would get a new transfer hearing and therefore a new trial. Greg.